Hi YouTube family! Today we are making dry meat Qabuli Pulao, one of my family's unique and authentic recipe that I'm so excited to share with you all. This version is rich, flavorful and truly special, so let's get started. Your support really helps me continue sharing these recipes, so please like and subscribe if you haven't already. First, I wash the dry meat very well. Into the pressure cook, I add 1 large onion, tomatoes, some garlics, and the dry meat. So I added 1 tablespoon of king masala. You may notice that I'm not adding any oil or salt. That's because dry meat contains a lot of natural fat, and once it starts boiling, it releases its own oil. Also, the dry meat was already seasoned with salt and black pepper when it was prepared, so we don't need to add any extra salt. Now I add the dry meat into the pressure cook along with 1 liter of boiled water, close the lid and let it cook on medium heat for about an hour until tender. I washed and soaked 5 cups of rice. Let it soak properly while we prepare the rest. For step 3, preparing the qabuli topping, which we call khilal. Now let's prepare the beautiful topping for qabuli. First, peel the carrots and carefully shred them. Be careful, shredding carrots can be dangerous. Protect your hands, as I have hurt myself a couple times. Next, fry the shredded carrots in oil until slightly soft and glossy. Comment below what recipes you would like me to make next. At the very end, turn the heat off and add raisins into the hot oil with the carrots for just a few minutes. Be careful not to burn the raisins. Remove them from the oil and sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sugar over the carrot and raisins mixture. Set it aside. Now let's check on the dry meat. Look at this beauty. It's tender, rich, and full of flavor. Once we take out all the meat from the broth, then we mix the broth so everything is mixed together. Now we use the flavorful broth from the meat to cook the rice. Add the soaked rice into the broth and let it boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of palau masala. Guys, I see that we have viewers from all over the countries, but mostly that I see people from Turkey, India, Pakistan, America, Azerbaijan, Germany, and Afghanistan. Comment below your country. Let's see who is here today. Once the rice has absorbed most of its liquid and is soft but still firm to touch, it's ready for layerings. Now add the cooked dry meat, the carrots and raisins mixture. Gently layer everything. Cover and place it on a low heat for about 40 minutes to steam slowly and develop deep flavor. This is where the magic happens. And now our dry meat Qabuli Pulao is ready to be served. Trust me, this is one of the most delicious versions of Qabuli you have ever tasted in your life. Rich, fragrant, slightly sweet, and perfectly balanced. Your support really helps me continue sharing these recipes, so please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next videos. Bye.